Bring it back.
Good morning, Panthers. Welcome to WPNN. My name is Francie.
And my name is Elena. It's a wonderful day to be a Panther.
Did you know that October is Hispanic Heritage Month? Join us celebrating the Hispanic heritage spirit this week.
For Hispanic Heritage Spirit Week, today is wear a shirt representing a Hispanic country or message in Spanish. Wednesday is wear crazy socks or las chanclas, flip-flops. Thursday is dress as a Hispanic personality or culture, and Friday is wear anything with the colors of a Hispanic country or flag.
Panthers, the track and field team will be having a mandatory meeting for all freshmen who would like to join the team. This meeting will be next Thursday the 19th after school.
The girls' meeting will take place in Coach Trotman's room 5106. The boys' meeting will take place in Coach Benson's room 6110.
Pre-season's conditioning for Panthers track and field will begin on Monday, November 6th. All physical and athletic clearance must be completed before then.
Congratulations to all of our athletic teams and their wins over the weekend.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
Go Big Blue!